grade. Today for phonics, as you're going to see in our Zoom call today, we are looking at consonant digraphs again. Remember that consonant digraphs are usually when you have two letters, but also sometimes when you have three letters, three consonants, or two consonants, that when you put them together, instead of making individual sounds, they're going to make one sound. Like last week, we looked at the consonant digraph SH, and with that consonant digraph SH, it made the sh sound, didn't it? Like in the word ship. Or it was at the end of the word, like the word fish. Well, today we are going to be looking at some new consonant digraphs. The letters CH and TCH stand for the sound you hear at the beginning of the word chip and at the end of the word ditch. The letters WH stand for the sound at the beginning of the word when. And the letters PH stand for the sound at the end of graph. Now this one's tricky because when we hear graph, the PH makes what sound? It makes the sound of the letter F, doesn't it? But we're not writing an F, we're writing PH. So this is what we're going to be looking at and spending some time focusing on this week. So what we're going to do is read the words that are in the box, and we're going to match the word with a sound spelling below. And we're going to write the word. We're going to go through a little bit of this together, and then I'm going to ask that you do the rest of this on your own. Repeat the word after me, please. Whisk, chin, fill, graph, pitch, lunch, when, and catch. Now you'll notice that we have a TCH when it's followed by a vowel. And in the word lunch, we had a consonant, and so we just added the CH at the end. Now what we need to do is we need to find a word that has WH, saying W. Which word do you see has a WH? Oh, Mrs. Friedrichs, the first word up there, whisk, whisk, right. So on the line here, I'm going to write whisk, W-H-I-S-K. There is no excuse for spelling any of these words wrong, friends, because they are sitting right in front of us. Whisk. And there will be a second word that has a WH in it also. Now, this we have to be careful with. The number 2 says CH. We have to be careful that we don't try to put a T in front of it. Remember that those are two different consonant digraphs. So, give me a word that has the CH. Ch. The word chin. C-H-I-N. Chin. And let's do the other one. Because remember we talked about if there's a consonant before the ch sound, you don't have to add the T, which just makes a CH. If there's a vowel before the ch, you make the TCH. So the word lunch, that is also a CH consonant digraph. Okay, CH. At the beginning of the word sometimes, and sometimes it can be at the end of the word. Okay, number 3, PH says f. Okay, remember that has the f sound. Fill. PHIL. That has a capital P. Why? Because it's a person's name. And there's another PH word that you will add on the line here. And then we have TCH. We talked about this word over here, so I'm just going to stick with it. The word catch. C A T C H. That has the TCH, catch, because the A is a short A sound, saying ah, ah, ah. And then there's one more word. All right, friends, so you have to find a word that has the w sound, the word that has the f sound, the PH, and a word that has the ch sound with the TCH. When you are done with this sheet completely, double check to make sure that your name is on your paper, and then go ahead and put this into your Tuesday folder. Today for your sight word, our new sight word for today is the word not. Say not. Spell the word not, repeating after me. N-O-T. Not. Say it again. Not. If your name is not already on this sheet, if your name is not already on this sheet, go ahead and make sure that your name is on your sheet. Today, just like every day when we are practicing our sight words, you are first going to trace it. Remember that the reason for tracing it is so that you know exactly how big your letters should be on your lines. After you're done tracing it, you can write it. My challenge for you would be not to just write it one time, but to write it at least 2 times. Okay? Write it at least 2 times. Then you're going to build it. Please make sure that when you build it, you are cutting this strip off of the bottom and putting the correct letters up on here and gluing them on. Please do not just circle the letters at the bottom. Please do not just write them in here. I would like you to physically be cutting them and gluing them with your glue stick. Then you're going to find the word not, and you will circle it however many times you find it. Then lastly, I would like you to use the word not in a sentence. It's very easy to use it. In fact, when I was talking about your name, I said do not forget to put your name on your paper, right? So however you decide to use the word not in a sentence, please make sure that you have a capital letter to start your sentence. And if you have any proper nouns, they need a capital letter also. You also at the end need an end mark. Remember, your end mark choices are period, question mark, or exclamation mark. When you are done with this sheet, double check all your work. Make sure that your words are written neatly, that you've done them each 2 times. Even make sure that your sentence is written correctly on the line. And then when you're done, this can go into your Tuesday folder.